The real test of any vehicle is not what it promises, it's what it delivers. At Rochdale Borough Council, we demonstrated how the MEV XL could support practical, everyday operations with cleaner, quieter and more efficient transport. From estates and facilities work to maintenance, local deliveries and site support, the MEV XL is designed to handle real operational demands while remaining compact, versatile and easy to use. Another productive day, showing what the MEV XL can bring to modern local operations.